Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore most important topic in fashion design, that is dart. Dart play a very important role. They gives proper fitting and shape to a garment. Let's learn about the different types
First
of
is
dart.
central dart. The central dart runs vertically at the center, front or back. It is used for balanced shaping. It helpful in fitted tops and dresses. Simple placement but very effective in creating symmetry and fit. So next is a shoulder dart. This dart originates from the shoulder line and ends near the bust point. It removes extra fabric around the shoulder and upper chest, ensuring a clean fit in that area. Shoulder dart are especially helpful in formal bodice or structured garment. Next is a burst dart. Burst dart start from the side seam and points towards the burst apex. It is used to control fullness around the burst area and help the fabric sit smoothly over the chest. You will commonly find this dart in a fitted tops and blouses. Next is the armhole dart. This is the variation of princess seam start from the armhole instead of the shoulder. It gives better shaping around the bust and underarms area, commonly used in dresses and blazers. It is ideal for a smooth fit and a modern design look. Next is a neckline dart. Neckline dart begins from the necklines and point towards the burst apex. It helps prevent gapping and keep the neckline flat and smooth. You will see this often in high neck or a boat neck styles. Next is a standard 4 darts. In the basic bodice, you will often find 2 darts in front and 2 at the back. This is called a standard 4 dart pattern, perfect for balanced shaping all around the body. This is the foundation of most fitted bodice design. So next is a French dart. This dart begins from the side seam close to the waistline and run diagonally towards the bust. It's both functional and decorative, providing shape and a graceful design. This dart creates a beautiful contour often seen in elegant dresses. Next is the arm-eye princess seam. It is a type of princess seam that start actually from the arm-eye notch area, the curve where the sleeves join, not from the sides and not from the shoulder. It passes directly over the bust, giving highly accurate bust shaping. Next is the edge dart. The edge dart combines both horizontal and vertical darts, forming an edge shape. It helps to control fullness from two directions, giving perfect contouring at the bust or waist area. A little advanced but effective in precise fitting. Next is a double waist dart. This dart includes 2 darts on either side of the center. It provides a snug tailor fit around the waistline and create an hourglass shape. Used mostly in structured garments where perfect waist definition is needed. Next is a princess seam. Unlike a small dart, the princess seam is a long curved seam that runs down from the shoulder and armhole to the waist. It replaces darts completely and gives a smooth, continuous shaping line. Are very often used in gowns, jackets, and fitted dresses for a more refined fit. This seam beautifully enhances body curves while giving a look to the garment. Next is a waist dart. The waist dart starts from the waistline and ends near the bust or hip, depending on placement. It helps to shape the waist area by removing excess fabric and defining the natural curve. A simple waist dart can make a huge difference in achieving the clean and fitted look. So next is a princess style line dart. This dart merges the shoulder or armhole dart with the waist dart, forming a continuous curved line. This creates a long, smooth shaped line that flatters the figure and eliminates multiple small darts. Think of this as a modern evolution of traditional dart, simple, elegant, and beautifully fitted. So these are the main types of darts every fashion designer must understand. Each dart serves a unique purpose. whether it's shaping the bust, refining the waist, or balancing the overall silhouette. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion tutorials. Keep practicing, keep designing. See you in the next video.